What's up, yo? It's your boy Cash, man. I'm going out here and tackle this snowstorm. You know what I'm saying? Gotta go out here, shovel, and get this boy cracking, you feel me? I don't know. I really don't want to do it. You know if I can have somebody do it for me. But you know.
Dang.
Just do a half thing.
That's like crazy.
God damn. Oh, damn.
I'm over here. Done. Look, can you see me, bro? Yeah. You can't see my breath, but still. Like, it's crazy outside, man. It's not the best. Somebody's driving right now. Get off the road, buddy! But, you know, I'm like, should have got a hat on. No, really. Like, no gloves, but I guess you don't need them. Cause ain't nothing really happening. But like, I'm gonna have to keep switching hands cause, oh, my hand cold now. Cold. But it's like cold, man. It's crazy ass. Oh, for real? I bet. I'm not gonna drive it. You almost slipped down here? Yeah. Problems on my own, homie. You supposed to be grown. Man, it's so bad out here. I got a scarf on. Oh, my God. Oh, no, I'm just talking to them. Talking to the viewers. Alright.
This is what I got so far.
Yeah.
This is what I
There you go.
it's down first.
It's so hard to record. Push the record button with my gloves.
Yeah. Oh, shoot.
You got a lot left.
It's killing me.
I know.